my girl in the corner with the scarlet letter. While you're watching, you may think that she doesn't matter, but no one knows you better.
Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Okay, so I am gonna answer some questions that I asked on my Instagram and I posted on YouTube also कि मैं कल Q&A वीडियो फिल्म करने वाली हूँ, तो कुछ भी questions है तो पूछ सकते हो. So I've got a few questions. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the video. And I know there are some people like who are like new subscribers. उनको ज़्यादा पता भी नहीं है मेरे बारे में of my living situation, because I'm getting a lot of questions about if I live alone or with my parents. I live alone first of all, and my parents live in Muzaffarnagar. मैं basically मुजफ्फरनगर से हूँ and आजकल मैं दिल्ली में हूँ, तो this is the most asked question. So yeah. Okay, now let's start with some questions जो कि Instagram से है. इतना डीप क्वेश्चन है ना ये. अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हाट इज लाइफ? ओके, इट्स अ वेरी डीप क्वेश्चन. नो, आई वाजंट एक्सपेक्टिंग these kind of questions, but yeah, I think obviously I don't think that I'm that mature to answer this, but I feel life is all about being happy. I mean, if you think about it, you always want something so that you know you can achieve next level of happiness that you want in your life. So basically life is being about happy, and when we'll accept that जो भी है हमारे पास, it is already enough to be happy, then I think we'll be able to enjoy life more. Yeah, so this question is related to the sari that I was wearing. This sari was, here is the picture that I posted. This sari is from LimeRoad. Next question is about this pendant. So it's like Mahi written on it. ये gold में है and ये हमने customize करवाया था from Aura Jewelers. Then next is suggest me some romantic series. Okay, I can't really remember any. Yeah, but I will suggest that Permanent Roommates. It's a Hindi series and it's really good. I think that series like very cute. Also, you can also watch Little Things on Netflix, about little things in relationship, how they matter, and you know, just little things. So I think it's cute. And yeah, you can also if you are into like romantic stuff, so do watch The Notebook. Oh, Ryan Gosling. Do watch that movie, Dirty Dancing. It's like a very old Hollywood movie, but I really like it. I mean, that movie is very cute. Also, my favorite movie is Rockstar all time, and I also like Tamasha. Like, love that movie. Okay, can you give some tips on how to start a YouTube channel? I want to start one. First of all, if you really want to start one, just go for it. Don't think about it. I took 1 year to start a YouTube channel. मतलब मेरे को इतना मन था YouTube channel start करने का, but I was so nervous about it. You can watch my first video, you'll know. But I think you can start it anytime. First of all, I know हम काफ़ी लोगों को लगता है कि like market is already filled with a lot of YouTubers and bloggers, so is it the right time to start? I think you should definitely start it right at the moment, क्योंकि suppose अगर सब डॉक्टर्स की पढ़ाई करना बंद कर देंगे तो नहीं चलेगा, राइट? क्योंकि you cannot say कि there are enough doctors in the world, or you cannot say there are enough, and in no way I'm comparing my job to doctors. I'm just saying कि कभी भी there can't be enough of something, like there can't be enough of actors, there can't be enough of YouTubers the same way, because obviously you are different and you bring different values and different content to this digital world. So why not start creating if you really want to? Just make sure that you know that in what niche you want to go. Like when I started blogging, I started like my username was the Wanderlust Soul, and I thought that, you know, I want to just do traveling, then I realized कि I don't have that kind of money that I can travel that much and you know, blog about it. So then I started writing about fashion and basically creating content about fashion, and yeah, then I realized that travel is not the only thing that excites me, it's fashion also. So I changed my username to my name only. If agar Wanderlust Soul hota, so it was not defining my page properly. So yeah. Next is, please do a vlog on a day in your life, your workout routine, what you eat, kind of stuff and all of that. Okay, first of all, I have done some vlogs and honestly आजकल मुझे बिल्कुल मन नहीं कर रहा है vlog करने का. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I will definitely try on the day I will, you know, wanna vlog. So yeah, also what I like to eat, I'm very choosy about food. It is a very bad thing about me, I know that. मतलब जब मैं छोटी थी तो मैं सब खा लेती थी, सब कुछ. And now there are like a few things that I eat, especially vegetables में. Like I am a vegetarian who hates vegetables, if someone can relate. So it's a little messed up, but I make it work. Like मुझे दाल वगैरह खाना पसंद है तो वो खा लेती हूँ मैं. Planning to give a shot to blogging, how to get followers. First of all, if you're gonna think कि followers कहाँ से आएंगे और अगर blogging के लिए तुम्हें followers चाहिए, first you will need to go through the hard process. For some people it's very easy. I think for some people it is very easy to, you know, get followers overnight. And I'm not talking about bot followers. Some people are just lucky, I think. हम भी lucky हो सकते हैं if we put in the hard work. तो आपको hard work तो करना ही पड़ेगा. You will have to create some awesome content to get, you know, views, to get like attention of people, and then if they like your content, they'll follow you. So no, you cannot think about कि मेरे followers नहीं है तो मैं blogging कैसे start करूँ. You just have to start and फिर सब कुछ अपने आप follow करता है. तो yeah, that's the only advice I can give. I mean, if you think about it, I just have 5,000 around subscribers on YouTube and I'm doing this from last 2.5 years, which relates to the next question, how much are you earning from YouTube? First of all, I know सबको बहुत curiosity रहता है कि YouTubers कितना earn कर, but I think it's like some other job and we should not ask people कि तुम कितना earn करते हो. But I know कि बहुत ज़्यादा curious matter है ये and people really wanna know. तो I don't earn anything from YouTube. Like from the YouTube itself, आज तक सिर्फ मुझे एक वीडियो पे I have earned that too also 7,000 rupees, जो कि ads का revenue होता है. Other than that, मुझे YouTube से कुछ भी earn नहीं हुआ है. And sometimes I earn by sponsorships. Like if some brand is offering me some money to include their brand in one of my videos, that's how I earn. But then again, it's not directly coming from YouTube, it's just a part of like sponsorship. And that too I don't get much money because, as you know, I don't have that much of subscribers. So here it is, I am being totally honest with you. Now you may ask, how do I earn? Like how do I earn my living? So I do have a good follower base on my Instagram because I have been doing Instagram for 3 to 4 years. So I started like first on Instagram only. तो वहाँ से I do earn via sponsorships only, like brands pay me to promote their products or something like that. Second, I do some freelance work, like I create content for some brands, so they do pay me on monthly basis like a salary or something. These are the ways I kinda earn. And some little side money I earn by reselling my old clothes. I still have an account on Kootloot app. I'm gonna mention it in the description box below, so if you are interested in buying in any of the stuff, so you can check it at my store on Kootloot. but I have created a new page on Instagram also which says Closet by Mahi. So I'm gonna like resell my old stuff which I don't use, which are in like good condition, because honestly I have also thrifted a lot of clothes from Kootloot, or maybe if you know some other blogger is selling something and I really like it, so I do buy it. I don't think it's anything wrong. In fact, it's great that we are just reusing those clothes only, and I don't sell clothes that are in like bad condition. I do like donate them. Next question is, do you believe what's meant for you will never pass you by? I think yes, I believe it. I don't want to go into the detail that much, but yeah, I think I do believe in it, that what's meant for you will find your way to it. Next question is, how can one balance personal relationships and work? I mean, I adore you and Shruth. That's really sweet. I think it requires a lot of discipline, and if we are like rating it on the scale of 1 to 10, I am at 5. I'm not at all a very disciplined person, but I really want to be. I really want to have a routine how you tackle relationships. उसके लिए तुम्हें डिसिप्लिन चाहिए होता है. लाइक यू शुड नो कि क्या तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम है. लाइक प्रॉब्लम तुम्हारी पर्सनल लाइफ में है या फिर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में. लाइक आई वर्क फ्रॉम होम और मेरे लिए बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है अपनी प्रोफेशनल और पर्सनल लाइफ को अलग करना. लाइक ऑब्वियसली this is my home and this is my workplace also, so you know it can get a little mixed up. Just requires discipline and telling your mind that this is not your personal problem, this is your professional problem, so don't bring it into your personal life. Like okay, I'll give you an example. I was so sad, I was so pissed at him, and like obviously उसकी कोई गलती नहीं है, just because my professional life wasn't working as I wanted to be, and it's still not working as I wanted to be. But then I realized that my personal life, like my love life, is so perfect, touch wood. Like this is what I dreamed of, right? And now if I have it, I should not spoil it just because my mood is kharab because of some other reason. So I think yeah, it in short, बहुत लंबा बोल चुकी हूँ मैं, बट इन शॉर्ट आई थिंक व्हाट आई वांट टू से इज कि यू हैव टू कीप टेलिंग योर माइंड दैट दिस इज़ योर पर्सनल लाइफ एंड दिस इज़ योर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ, एंड यू शुड नॉट मिक्स इट. लाइक अगर तुम्हें लग रहा है, खुद से बात करके देखो, तो तुम्हें लग रहा है कि तुम गलत कर रहे हो उस बंदे के साथ या अपनी किसी के भी साथ. सपोज यू लिव विद योर सिस्टर एंड अपना ऑफिस का सारा गुस्सा आके तुम अपनी बहन पे निकाल रहे हो, तो दैट इज़ सो रॉन्ग. एंड अपना ऑफिस का गुस्सा वहीं तक रखो, not at your home. I really hope that I answered it because I think I was just blabbering. Okay, next few questions are from my best friend. Do you miss me? And a lot of random things that she writes always on my question bar. Ayin, if you're watching, yes, I miss you and I love you. Okay, now I'm just gonna go on my YouTube and community post, और वहाँ पे कुछ questions है जो मैं आंसर करूँगी. ये वीडियो काफ़ी लंबा हो गया है ऑलरेडी, बट चलो कर लेते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. Hey Mahi, so this question is by Vanshika Chaudhary. I'll try and put screenshots of questions also on the screen. Hey Mahi, first of all, you're so cute. You're like an 18-year young girl. I am 25. Like I'll turn 25 in July, but you said that I look like 18, so okay. I just want to ask you that I'm also looking forward to start up my career as a blogger and YouTuber. Can you suggest me some ways that how can I grow over IG? I've been trying to long, like 1 year, but actually not getting any engagement, so could you please help me out? Okay, so if you're talking about engagement, if you go to my profile, I have 60,000 followers, and and honestly I'm not getting a good engagement as well. There is something wrong with Instagram that I don't understand, but honestly I don't want to give up that easily, and I'll suggest you do the same. please try and collaborate. Suppose if you have 5,000 followers on Instagram, try and collaborate with people who have the similar following. People with larger following agrees to collaborate with you, collaborate with them, because that way you can literally exchange audience. That way you can reach out to more, or maybe same number but different type of people. So I will suggest you to collaborate, and do spend time on your Instagram if you really want it to be your like full-time thing. Like invest more time in it. Watch some videos how to, you know, get more engagement and all of that. I'll say ki don't buy followers, don't buy likes. I am so embarrassed to say this, but I have tried it. Like, I haven't bought followers, but I have bought engagement, and it will not impact your account in a good way. So I will not at all recommend you to, you know, go and buy likes or go and buy followers, because I have tried it firsthand and I'm not proud of it. But I still want to be honest with you ki take it from someone who has already been there, that don't do it. I know it's very like enticing and we really want quick result and all of that, but it's not worth it. Like in the long run, it will impact your engagement in a bad way. How many tattoos do I have? I have 3 tattoos all on my hands. Like one is this heart, one is this paw, because I'm a dog lover. I have never had a dog of my own. Honestly, I think it's like a very big commitment. It's like raising a kid, and it freaks me out to even think about कि मुझे उसको 1 घंटे के लिए भी छोड़ के जाना पड़ेगा. So this is the reason that I don't have a dog, but I really like them, like love them. And then other tattoo is this one. It's like a rose. I think it's very sexy. I don't know why, but I really like it. Okay. The next question is why you started this channel. Okay, so first of all, I started with my blog and then I started my channel. So as I told you that I started with my blog, The Wanderlust Soul and all of that, then I realized after some time that I am very interested in fashion also, and also I realized that I don't enjoy writing that much. I really wanted to get into YouTube because like making videos is more fun for me. So yeah, that's why I started this channel, because I really love making videos. As you can tell कि 2.5 साल हो गया मुझे, and I'm not getting anything from YouTube, but I'm still stuck to it. So I think I'll say that I'm passionate about it. Second, I really want to inspire people that doesn't matter from where you come. Like I come from a very small town. You can really like go for it, go for your dreams, and just do the hard work, and you will reach where you want to reach in your life. Third, I really want to inspire people about like from this channel that please be confident and love yourself. Next question is how do I edit my YouTube videos, and what apps do I use for editing my pictures and all of that. So I edit my videos mostly on Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a software. You can download it in your laptop, and it's a paid one, so you have to like subscribe to it. Then I also like editing on Filmora, so you can download Filmora also. You will get the basic features in free. Again, you can buy it, and if you have Windows, so you can go for the crash version also, which is nothing to be proud of, but you can. I do have the crash version also because I wasn't sure कि Filmora पे actually मैं edit करूँगी भी कि नहीं इतना, but I really wanted to try my hands on it, so I got a crash version of it, like from a local computer shop से download करा के मैंने वो किया था. About my favorite apps, तो I edit my pictures on phone only, and मैं ज़्यादातर click भी iPhone से करती हूँ. तो मेरा जो फेवरेट ऐप्स है आजकल वो है टेज़ा. आई लव दैट ऐप. आई लव दैट ऐप सो मच. अगैन यू विल गेट a few features free way, but I think it's around $320 per month, but yearly again you will get a good deal. So I think it's amazing for editing your videos, or you know, maybe Instagram stories or just pictures, because I really like the aesthetic that that app provides. And then I really like to use Lightroom also. I can make a different video around me editing pictures on Lightroom. I can also do something like you guys submit your pictures to me and I'll edit that on Lightroom. Let me know if I should do that. I think that would be fun. So yeah, these are the main two apps that I use. And also I use InShot in phone to edit my Instagram videos, to edit my TikTok videos, because InShot is such a good app, I'm telling you. And अगर आपके पास लैपटॉप भी नहीं है और आप YouTube पे आना चाहते हो और YouTube की वीडियो फिल्म कर रहे हो फ़ोन से ही, तो यू कैन डायरेक्टली एडिट इट इन InShot. वो ज़्यादा कंप्रेस नहीं करता है क्वालिटी को, तो आई थिंक इट्स लाइक अ really good app to start. Then next question is, how do you deal with hate? Were you ever body shamed? I don't think I was like ever body shamed. I don't think so, क्योंकि अगर ऐसा हुआ होता तो मुझे याद होता, but no, I don't think. How do I deal with hate? Luckily I don't get that much hate because I think I'm not that popular, because I've seen that a lot of popular content creators get all the hate. Honestly, I think I just think that these people are just jealous, because why else you'll take some time to comment shit on something, I mean someone's video, right, or someone's picture. तो I think, and अगर मुझे like एक दो comments आ भी जाते हैं which are like that you don't know how to do it or you suck or whatever, I just ignore it. And usually Instagram पे I have received that kind of hate, so I delete those comments, because at the end of the day it's my page, I can filter it however I want. तो I usually delete those comments and just don't respond to it. But अगर कोई ऐसा comment होता है जो मुझे लगता है कि it's stupid enough to reply, so I do reply to that. I try to be smart and sassy, but yeah, so that's how I deal with it. I don't take it like quite personally, honestly. How is your fashion sense? Impeccable. Thank you. Some people hate it though, but again, सबका अपना choice होता है, right? This is the last question, and it is again about my YouTube earning and how I started and how I got famous and all. I don't think that I'm famous at all. I don't think so, first of all. Second of all, I told you about my journey, but if you really want to go into deep, I'll make another video, because I think I can talk about it for 10 to 15 minutes straight, and ये video already बहुत लंबा हो गया है. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and you got to know me a little bit more. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, it will mean the world to me, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Also comment down below if I should film that video where I'm gonna edit your photos in Lightroom app. Let me know. Bye.
Dun 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 dun